Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And to this video, I'm going to show you how to run your PHP files and entire PHP project using the inbuilt PHP development server using this command right here. This method works on Windows, macOS, and Linux, and it's one of the fastest ways to preview your PHP code without installing XAMPP or WAMP. Let's get started. Alright, now let's run your PHP file. Go to the folder where your PHP project is located. Then open your terminal inside that folder. If your project is in a folder called My Project, whatever project name you have, your command will look something like cd the path to the project. Press enter. You should now be inside that project folder. Now, let's say you have a full project with multiple folders like index.php, CSS, JS, pages includes. As long as the entry file is index.php, you don't need to specify anything in the URL. Just say inside the project folder and run using the command php-s localhost colon 8000 or whatever port number you are using. Then open your browser and go to that URL where you type http :/localhost the port number. PHP automatically saves all files the way a normal server would. You can click links, load pages, and include other PHP files. Everything works like expected. So when to use built-in PHP server? You can use PHP built-in server when you are learning PHP, when you want to test simple features, when you are building a small API, when you want to quickly preview without installing large software. Don't use it for hosting websites. Don't use it for big PHP systems. Anything that needs high performance or security. For that, you use XAMPP, WAMP, Laragon, or Docker. And that's it. That's how you run your PHP files and full project using the PHP built-in development server. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And I will see you in the next one.